Morning guys, today we've got here POCO C85 and let me show you how to turn on, how to activate Google Backup. So once you want to protect your data, it's best way to activate Google Backup, and to do it on your phone, just enter the settings, then select about phone and here locate Backup and Restore. Now under Google Backup, enroll backup, just mark it, and now select turn on. Here you need to mark what kind of data you wish to backup. I'd like to perform activate it fully, so both photos and videos along with other device data, but if you wish to activate it just for photos and videos, just leave it this way. But let me do it for both, then mark confirm, and basically that's it. Obviously, if you are not logged in with your account yet, with your Google account yet, just provide your email address or phone number, whatever is connected with your account, along with the password, and then the operation looks just the same. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.